Murray caught at low level bridge. We've got another cod in the river. They're here. Woo! Woohoo! You! Check this out, guys. We're out the windy ass day out here, and we're gonna do our best to get some trout. We're out here at Thompson Creek. Woo! She's windy. Oh, we're gonna have to work our way up to the back to get out of this wind. Here with the boys today, Zach from Zach's Fishing Channel, Kelly, and Trout King Jakey. he's come along to show us how to catch some more trout. Yeah, it's a nice looking dam. It's just real windy at the moment. We're gonna probably have to push ourselves out towards that back of that dam. We'll have a couple of casts though, because you never know. Anyway, I will get back to you if I get something. You. Alright guys, made it to this side of the dam at the moment. Way better. Holy shit. You can probably hear me properly now. It's so windy over that side. So we're to get over this side. See what we can find, guys. A little bit of weed on it. Bit of weed on it. Anyway, you. Some kangaroos. Heap of wildlife out here. You. You. We got a fish today.
Oh, maybe he's a brown.
No, he's rainbow. I can't tell. Yeah, he's a. Ooh. Nice coloured one. Yeah, nice rainbow. Nice rainbow, guys. So we're on the board today, about 30 centimetres. So how good's that? We do have a fish today, guys. A little drop off here, that's what it is.
It wasn't cooked too well.
Well, probably about to call it quits, guys. Struggling here today. Boys had a few on and dropped them. I just had the 3 followers today, that's about it. Not even couldn't even get them to hit any of my stuff. But yeah, so yeah, just out here doing some fishing. I'm gonna keep at it, probably for the next half an hour, and then I'm gonna pack up and go home. I might have a little video out of this because Kelly did get a nice little one, so I guess I can probably, yeah, do a little video. But other than that, nah. I've got a few shorts I've got to come out here. I'll throw them up as well. I'll go fishing tomorrow. Probably going to chase some carp or something. Hit the Macquarie River, some redfin, whatever. Just keep mixing it up. Anyway, if I do get something, I'll record. But if I don't, this will be the end of the clip. So thanks for watching, guys, and swing us a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You. G'day everyone, just down here, local waterway, out Eglinton, Macquarie River. I've got my bait rod over there, chasing the carp, and I've got my soft plastic rod here, just to see if there's any little reddies around, just to see if we can get some fish, some action. That'll be interesting anyway. Haven't gone the best in these spots before, so we'll mix it up with a bit of bait and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, interesting. Anyway, it was a bad cast. I'll get back to you if we can try and pinch anything. You. Well, I was just using a pinky convict, and I did have a ready hit it, but I'm gonna swap lure. I've got these 2 salt and pepper ambush lures, soft plastics. You got the curl tail and the paddle tail, different sizes. Coley gave me these to try, so I'm going to throw on the paddle tail and see how I go. So I'll get back to you if we do any good. Get him up. Yes, on the salt and pepper too. Woo! Oh. First car in this spot. He swallowed that. On the salt and pepper ambush lure that Coley gave me. Bang. Woo! I'll get back to you. Oh, there you go, guys. There's that redfin. Macquarie River. Let's let him go. Woo! Well, guys, I've gone to this one. Not a bad soft plastic. I just lost me salt and pepper one, but it works. Got a redfin on it before I lost it. Coley, this one he handed me over to try, so I was successful. And now I'm on this ambush one, and we're gonna try and get some more, because I did just drop another one on that salt and pepper one before I lost it. So yeah, I could have had 2 fish on it. All right, we're back to you. Oh, lost that lure. I'd snap me hook on a branch. Ugh, don't know how that happened, but yeah, interesting. So far the one redfin. Yeah, I did drop another one. I'm not sure how the boys gone, but I'm heading over this way to check now, and probably pack up very soon. So oh guys, it's getting dark. Real slow on the bait at the moment. So yeah, at the moment we've got the one redfin on the salt and pepper ambush lure that Coley gave me. Yeah, it's been a real bit slow. It's winter fishing for you, but we still got the one fish at the moment. I thought we had more of touches on bait today, but nah, nothing wants to touch the bait much. But yeah, if I get a fish, I'll film it, but if I don't, this is probably going to be the end of the video. So yeah, oh well, it's better to get out and have a slow day fishing than getting out and have a good day at work. Fishing always conquers. Fishing's the best. Anyway, swing us a like and a subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You.